ENLV is the next one here. This is ENLV. This stock spiking above 140 here today, up about 24.5%. Looks like we had earnings here today. So adjusted EPS of 20 cents missed the 1 cent loss estimate. The 20-cent loss missed the 1 cent loss estimate. So they lost more than expected. And EPS excludes change in fair value of digital asset purchase options. So, okay, that's obviously good enough to rip this higher here. They profit net income of $1.23 billion and diluted earnings per share of $25.48. Stock is holding higher here by 24.5%. It's got negligible short interest. I don't even think we need to take a look at that here today. And on average, the thing trades 350,000 shares. Today, it's done just shy of 4 million, but the float's super thick on this one at 236 million. All right, 13, what do you got on ENLV?
So this isn't one I really looked at here, and it just started going, I think, not too long ago, maybe shortly after I came on. But looking like this is having trouble staying above the VWAP. The past 15 minutes, you've got these candles here that have these, really ugly looking upper shadows. And to me, that indicates that there's some real trouble up here trying to get over 140. So, and then you have the size of the float, which is another problem. I think this may, well, it's already doing it. I think this may end up coming back in here. And if we get that, you're going to probably see some support around 125. I don't know if that's going to hold or not. Let me look at the cash here. So this company isn't profitable. They have no revenue. They lose about between 1.5 to 3.5 million quarter. They seem to have enough cash on hand for at least one quarter, and then they have short-term equivalents that could be converted to cash. That might give them a little bit more of a runway, but they're going to have to raise capital at some point. Probably not going to happen, anytime soon, but at some point they're going to have to. I don't know if, and this is just, the information I have before they reported earnings. So I don't know what their cash position is looking like after their earnings until I get go through the report or have my sheet here updated. Anyway, that's what I would be keeping an eye on. Since we've lost the view up here, I'm thinking watch 125 for support. If we get that, you're going to want to see a recapture of VWAP. Otherwise, maybe find something else because the float may not allow for very good trades today, being how thick it is.
Okay, good stuff. ENLV.